Hello everybody, I will introduce to you my two pots of roses. This has a lot of fetus fetus baby flower, and this is like a lot of patience to grow. Originally they are 3, but the other one died because of the mandarin. There was mandarin growing like this, overtaking the roses of that mandarin, so it died. So that's why any growing thing here I will remove so it doesn't overtake my roses. So our topic is how to replant or how to plant roses. So I cut off already from here, from these branches. If you can see, I cut there branches, old part or old branch. I cut them and then I put them in the base so they can produce branch like this. So after cutting them off, I soak them in the water, like in the flower vase, and then wait when this yung manalingsing yung branch come out, and then transfer to the pot like this. So in my part 2 I will show you how to plant them in the pot. I already cut and put inside the house my flower vase. So this is, if you can see, I will put the link, the beautiful roses. They are really survival. This is the longest plant I've ever had in all of my plants, and the longest and the most beautiful one because they produce non-stop flower. Just water them and put them enough soil. So if you can see, there's a lot. So I will update you when the blossom of these petals coming fully out. So they are also here. Madalas, the last time I put you this one featuring these two, the last time, if you can see, somewhere in the balcony. So that's it, mga madam and sir. This is my update of my roses. There's another one, babies. There's too many babies. I will update you next on how I planted or how I plant them into the pot, from cutting them there and soaking into the water. Wait to have this one. Right, thank you guys for watching. Bless you.